Hi, I'm from Techie Dialogue, and in today's video, I'll be showing you how to add a timecode in DaVinci Resolve 19, step by step. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss any of our tutorials. Step 1. Adding a timecode to your video in DaVinci Resolve is pretty easy. First, go up to Workspace, then scroll down and select Burn in Data. In the Burn in Data window, you'll see several options. To display the timecode, simply click on Record Timecode. If you move your window, you should be able to see the timecode appear. If you don't see it, just move the playhead slightly, and it should become visible. Step 2. Now you also have a few options for how the timecode appears. You can adjust its position, size, and opacity to match your preference. This allows you to customize how the timecode looks in your video. And that's it. Now you know how to add a timecode in DaVinci Resolve 19. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.